I'd rather have a flat tire than my strong room. Not just like walk around one of them like down here. That's so much better.
Good morning, everyone. This is Amy with 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida. Good morning, good morning. This is Amy with 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida. I'm here at the Palm Beach Animal Care and Control. First, let me start out by saying thank you in advance. I need your help. I need donations, yet again. So I am here at the Palm Beach Animal Care and Control in Palm Beach. Overcrowded, very overcrowded shelter, kill shelter. And I am here in hopes to save a life this morning. There are so many dogs that need our assistance, and our hands are tied, as you know. We're in a crisis, the whole United States, with pets, animals. It is never ending. There are no fosters to be found. Everybody's begging. And when we do get a foster, we jump. We jump quick. And we have a foster lined up in place. And there is a dog that has been surrendered by the owner, terrified and shaking and trembling. Yes. T. There's a leash and 2 martingales. Hold on, guys. Thank you. Hi, how are you? Here to pick up Becky. 1460903, I think it is. 100 Plus. Thank you. Can I walk in the back for a few minutes, or will it take a few? Okay, let's go in the back. What's that? Doesn't matter. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. So guys, just gonna probably be going in and out because it's a little sketchy when you're going into the buildings. This is Kennel 1. These are all the dogs that are in desperate need. So let's do this. Get ready, guys. Thank you. And I'm asking everybody to make a donation in order to allow us to save a life. Please, I'm begging of you. Oh gosh. My name is Lexi. I'm a spayed female, 7 years of age. I've been here since 8/16. I'm available for adoption. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi, mama. Hi, pretty. Oh, mom. Oh, mommy. Oh, mama. Oh, she's so pretty. So sweet. Hello, mommy. Hello, beautiful girl. Oh. Huh? Delicious dog. So sweet, fun, kind, dog friendly. I've been here a long time. I'm good with dogs. I'm high energy. 1 to 2, 1 year, 2 months. This is Ozark. Hi, Ozark. Hello, handsome boy. Oh, monkey. Another sweet baby. Oh, no. Oh. This is Biloxi. 8 years of age. What do you think his chances are of getting out? slim to none. Oh, Biloxi. I know, baby. Gut-wrenching. Gut-wrenching. This is Raven. Hi, Raven. Hi, Raven. Hello, Raven. Super sweet. Puppy. This is Desi. Desi's only 2 years of age. Female. Hi, Des. Hi, Desi. Wiggle butt. Oh, Mama. Oh, if they could speak, they're begging. They're begging. Begging. Hi. Cocoa Puff. Cocoa Puff. Sweet, shy. Walks easy on a leash. Relax. Hi, Cocoa Puff. Hello, Cocoa. Gut-wrenching. This is gut-wrenching. Nasal discharge on Katana. Katana. 3 years of age. Hi, Katana. Hello, sweet baby girl. I know, Mama. Devastating. I want to rip my heart out of my chest. 9 years old. 9 years of age. What do you think the chances are of these dogs getting out, Chevy? What do you think? Huh? Hi, Chevy. Hi, Mama. Okay. This one's killing. They're all killing me. This is so hard. This is so freaking hard. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. They were putting a dog back in the kennel, so we wanted to give her the chance. Sweetest baby. Never make it out. Sweet is my name, Sugar Bear. Quiet and mellow. That's okay, Sugar Bear. Hi, Kuna. Hi, Kuna. Hi, Kuna. Hi, Kuna. Hi, Kuna.
This guy's gorgeous.
Friendly, playful. Randy. Hi, Randy. Oh, hello. We don't know this one. My name is Kip. Gorgeous Shepherd. Hi, Kippy. I know Kippy. Sweet baby. Oh. Hi, Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Hey, hi, energy. Hi, Boo Boo. Hi, Bee. Hi, Scout. Hi, energy. Hi, handsome. Oh, stop. Oh, stop. Oh, my God. Gentle, quiet, sweet, affectionate. Sitting in your lap. Liberty. Oh, hi.
I see you on Facebook. You're a happy
Yes.
So nice to meet you.
You as well. What's your name?
Terry.
Oh, hi, Terry.
Yeah, I follow you on Facebook.
This is the face of a wonderful volunteer. Terry, thank you for all you do. My heart is just, I want to die. Oh my God, Terry, I can't even.
This is so wonderful. You're like a celebrity in my house.
Stop it, Terry. Look at this face. I can't take this.
What's wrong with this?
I can't take it. Oh my God, Liberty. she say? Oh my God, stop it.
Who wouldn't take it?
Hello, beautiful. Oh, mommy. Oh, I'm a good boy, dog selective, Binks. That's okay, Binks. I understand. I get it, Binks. Hi, honey bunny. No card on her. We don't have any info.
She's sweet.
Oh, sweet. They're all waiting. They're all waiting.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Hi. Hello, monkey. Hello. This is Finn. Finn is only 3 years of age. He's neutered and he's ready to go, guys. All these dogs that I am sharing, they're all in danger. They all need saving. We need fosters. Every one of, this is one line at the shelter. There are, what, 3 buildings or 2? 4 buildings. We only did one line. I want you to look at all these. This one is killing me. Ugh. They're all killing me. This is the hardest thing to do. The hardest. When your hands are tied and you want to save them all and you can't because you have nowhere to put them. They're all facing death and they need help. All I can do is try to be their advocate and try to help by maybe somebody sees a face. Maybe one of you sees a face that you want to take home. And I can help you get this dog out. We can help raise funds for whatever's needed medically, but you have to be committed. You have to be committed in order for us to save. I mean, this baby is 8 years of age, crying, screaming for help. Biloxi, what do you think the chances are of Biloxi getting out? What do you think? Slim to none. Slim to none. I'm here with TK, Elijah's mommy. I was in tears when I got here because she said, I'm here because of you. I'm here because I saw one of your videos, right, TK? You saw one of the videos and she saw me talking to a volunteer. And TK, what do you hear? Like, how many days are you coming now?
I come
2 days a week.
Usually it's the most rewarding part of my week. But I want to emphasize something you just said. That
What's that?
Biloxi has little chance
Of getting out.
of here. But if I wanted young dogs,
Right.
take them. That row you just showed, all easy dogs. They all go in playgroup. They're all with other dogs. They're adoptable. I would be the first person to tell you if a dog isn't adoptable. I can show you which ones are not if you want to understand. But they're not difficult dogs.
They're not. You're here volunteering. You're spending your time with them. You're getting to know each and every dog.
So, you need donations to get them out.
Yep.
To save them.
Yep.
You get to take care of a dog and not pay for it.
Right?
Somebody's going to take care of the medical so you don't have to worry about it. Oops, get ready.
I just need you to sign yes
Okay.
for her medical stuff. She's got a tooth root abscess. She's not thrilled to be here.
We know. Yeah.
What do you know about her?
All I know is what's been blasted all over the internet. I haven't
okay,
met her, but
alright.
she seems to be just the sweetest girl.
Yeah.
It just
And they said she's dog friendly.
yeah. Drop off cards for the baby.
What's today's date? I'm sorry.
Today's the 12th. Brittany. 7100.
Okay, that's it. So she needs to go to the vet immediately to have that tooth looked at because that's very painful. They said she has a tooth problem. 100. Well, she is. They vaccinate. They vaccinate here. She's already spayed. I believe so. She's spayed, right?
Yes.
And she's up to date on vaccines. Yep. And she's microchipped. Yeah.
So
You microchip her, or was she already microchipped?
I think she's been here before.
She's been here before, a couple of times.
So in here we have her rabies info. We just gave her a new rabies.
Okay.
Microchip info is a really old microchip.
Okay.
Way back in the day.
Okay.
And then all her medical notes to bring with you to the doctor.
Okay. So did you get an appointment yet with Dr. Dooley? Great. Let's make it. Awesome. Awesome. So we are today saving a life, and we are pulling Becky. Becky is 13. Owner surrendered. She's been here several times. The reason that I'm able to save Becky today is because of TK. Because TK reached out to me. Oh my God, she's so pretty. Oh my God. Oh, she's so happy to get out. Hi, Becky.
I can have them look her up.
We have everything.
She's very sweet, they said to me. Because I haven't dealt with her, but the girl in the back who did her kennel, she said she's very sweet.
Very sweet. Just doesn't want to be here, obviously. No, I wouldn't want to either. I just walked one roll and I'm dying. Just.
She's ready to go, man.
We'll take that. Well, let me put it on.
You don't have to put this on.
No, we already. She's all set. You can put that on later. She has a martingale on, and
she's got the plastic color. You can take that.
We'll take that. That's like the freedom ride. Cut that thing right off, Mama.
She's just like, I'm ready to go. Come on.
She looks amazing for 13.
Lady, would you like a treat to celebrate?
Oh, she's like, lady, what kind of treats are those? Oh God, guys, we need your help. That's the gallop. She's so excited.
So excited she came up galloping. She just wants to go.
She said, I just want to go, please. I don't see it anymore.
Everybody, please make a contribution. 100 Plus is going to cover her medical for life because we have a committed forever foster with our wonderful TK, Elijah's mommy. We all know Elijah and TK, so we know that this girl, Becky's going to get an amazing life, but we are going to be responsible for all of her medical, lifelong, however long she's with us. I'm reading Rose Watson.
Freedom right there.
Thank you, Amy, for doing this. Please do this often. I know, right? It's very hard. Thank you for all you do. Thanks, girls.
Great day, guys.
Thank you.
Do you guys want that little mug shot? The running color?
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
She's such a pretty girl.
Thank you. So again, owner surrender, 13 years of age. She has been shaking and trembling. They said she's galloping. Look at her. She can't get out of here fast enough. She cannot get out of here fast enough. This is not her first time, second time in the shelter. We are setting up an appointment with our awesome vet, Dr. Dooley. He's in Delray. TK is going to make the appointment and take her over. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. She is, listen, guys, she's a senior. She's sweet. She's spayed. She is available for adoption. So if anybody's interested in a sweet, oh, yay, good poopy, Becky. If anybody's interested in adopting, guess what? That would make room for another senior for TK. Right, TK? We are here if you want to be a forever foster. That's why we're begging for donations to cover. Like I said, we don't know what she's going to need when we do get her in. They said she has something with a tooth. We know that she's already spayed. We know that she is vaccinated, which is huge. Heartworm negative, thank you, God. But you saw me just walk through this shelter. And I will tell you, while I am driving to any shelter, my stomach's in knots. I am nauseous. It is so hard. But the volunteers that are here, day in and day out, they're the ones making the biggest difference because they're showing these dogs love. They're in play group. They get to go in pool. And all I can tell you is that there are so many babies in here. It's very hard for me to contain myself right now. I look like a hot ram because all these babies are pulling at the heartstrings. Calling for all fosters, calling for all adopters. This is one row of the Palm Beach shelter. There are 4 buildings. Not to mention, this is one shelter. We're talking one shelter out of how many kill shelters that are completely full to capacity. All those spaces that you saw, that I showed you on this short little video clip. It's endless. It's endless. And one is sweeter than the next. These dogs are socialized. They are networked. They are being worked with all the volunteers. So the volunteers know their personalities. They're mixed in with 5, 6, 10 dogs at a time. So they know if they are dog friendly. They know everything about the dogs. So it's great that the volunteers are here. Yeah, I know exactly what you're doing. Sorry, this is just a little distraction. There's here, I'm probably just coming in, hopefully for update vaccines. I'm begging right now. What I need you to focus on is donations for us to cover Becky and all of her medical needs that she's going to need with Dr. Dooley. We won't know until we get her in, which the appointment is going to be happening very soon. Oh my God, is that? Huh? They're rescuing that dog?
I think they're doing an assessment.
Oh. Oh, that dog has been through hell. There's a lot of wounds. I don't know. It looks like that's a rescue that's picking up the dog.
I don't know that dog, so it probably never made
Yeah, it's a rescue. It's a rescue. Oh, my heart. No. Are you serious? Please say no. Can't. No, honey, you're fine. You're fine. Yep, that's a rescue right there. Somebody's rescuing such a beaten up baby. See, guys, there is still good in the world. There's still good in this world. There are so many good people that are still rescuing and advocating for all these voiceless babies. We have to be their voice. Look at how terrified. Look at how terrified. What you're witnessing is a rescue picking up a severely broken baby, along with us rescuing Becky today. Oh, gosh. Hi, Becky. Becky, say, wait, what about me? It's my day, too. It's my day, too. Today's my day. I'm getting out of this place. She's been here for several days, and she's been extremely stressed out. They've been networking her like crazy. They said something about her gait, like she might need some medication for arthritis or whatnot. She's doing pretty damn good for 13. Yes, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. Hi, Becky. Mama. Good morning. Good morning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you all this paperwork so you'll have it for Dooley. And then if you can just take some photos and just text them to me. And that way we need to transfer the chip. Well, we'll keep the chip on me. We'll keep it on me because I'm going to be covering. Becky, what? What? I'm just trying to catch my breath after walking through. It's so difficult. So difficult. She did poop. She peed. Her poop was good. What do you want to say, TK?
I just want to, I say, first of all, I want to thank everybody always for contributing, especially for that big gray one that I have.
Elijah.
But, aside from thank you, it's that if you can't volunteer, if you can't take the dog, if you could just keep
sharing and donating so we can keep doing our mission.
So we keep doing it, and it's so important to get them out. So
this
yeah,
right here. This.
When you donate, you're a part of all of this.
Correct.
You are the reason that helps Amy be able to get the dog out so I can take care of it.
That's right.
Love it, or until it's adopted, but I will keep it forever. She'll never have another home unless she's adopted forever. But it takes donations, and anything you can do is so appreciated.
Guys, are you listening? Can you hear TK? We need all of you. We need help. We need your we need your continued.
$3 here and there.
I say it all the time. I beg. I feel like I'm a broken record and asking every minute, but without the donations, I mean, our house right now is full of needy babies that are going every day back to the animal hospital for follow-ups and eye checks and echocardiograms. I've got Albert in the 24 right now, you know, going through testing. His bill's going to be through the roof. So we're committed. When we make our promise, here, give me, I got that. When we make our commitment to any of these dogs, remember that it's for life. If they're not adopted, it's for life. And that means we are responsible financially to make sure they receive everything they need. Not when we decide that we're done. It's, like I said, this is a forever commitment to make sure they get everything they need. I mean, Baby Cakes, we thought we were pulling her and she was going to be like on her last leg, and she's going a year strong. Thank God. That girl is like unbelievable. Where's the garbage? Oh, over there? Okay, hold on, guys. I got to throw this poopy away. But I'll tell you, traumatizing. If it's traumatizing for me, imagine what those dogs that I just videoed in the Palm Beach shelter, which is a kill shelter and very overly crowded and full. Dogs are being surrendered every day. Imagine what those dogs are going through, sitting in those kennels and terrified day in, day out, with nobody to take them home and give them a chance. The fates are horrible. The statistics of the majority of them getting out are slim to none. I know every rescue is... Are you surrendering?
Yes.
Why?
I found him. He was roaming my job site, so I can't have dogs.
Is he microchipped? Do you know?
I have no idea. I stopped by Becky and Adam.
Yeah.
They said no. They told me to come here, so...
He's beautiful. He's a puppy.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Unfortunately, I can't have dogs where I live, so...
Oh, my God.
He's got to come here.
Oh. Okay. I wish I could take him right now. Can't. I have no room.
Go fast.
Yeah, he's a puppy.
And he's gorgeous.
Thanks for getting him safe off the street. Oh, my God. I can't. I want to vomit right now. I can't take it. I would have put him right in the car, but I'm full to capacity. I'm full. I'm at my limit. That dog is so beautiful, baby. It had a shape like a heart. Heart-shaped nose. This is what we live through every day. Every day the phones are ringing. I know, TK. I know. Phones ringing off the freaking wall every minute. Hey, you taking dogs today? You taking surrenders? No, we're full. No, we're full. So guys, I'm going to just say this once and one time only before I shut this down, because I'm about to vomit. I'm sick to my stomach. I need your help. I need your help by donating. I need fosters. I need adopters. So what can I say? All I can do is be their voice. Please make a donation for Becky. It's another life out, 13 years of age. Becky, come on, let's get in the car. Come on. Come on, Becky.
You can do it. I can lift you.
Give me that. Hey, Mom, I got her. Oh. She's not surrendering. She has 2 dogs. It's okay, Beck. Yeah, good idea. Cool. Come here, baby. Let's go over here in the shade. Come on. Get in the shade. There we go. Let's get on the grass where it's cooler. Good girl, Mommy. Hi. 13. I know, right? And that baby just got rescued that you took out? Good job. Thank you. 13 acts like a puppy. Act like a puppy. Your teeth are horrific, Becky. Oh, God, my heart. Please, God, give me the strength and us the strength to continue to fight, please, and deal and do this every day in and day out. 11 years with this rescue, over 4,400 dogs saved, hundreds of cats, and it never gets easier. It just doesn't get easier. You wanted to go in the back seat? Okay. Come here, baby. No. Me too. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. You need help? I can put the phone down.
I wanted to see what
Okay. Becky, up, up, up. Freedom ride. Come on. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Nope.
You're okay. It's okay. I'll pick you up, okay? You're okay.
Good girl, Becky. Good girl. There she goes. Got a little seatbelt clip. We're good. That's good, Mommy. AC's going. Oh, stay. Let me hold her. Stay. Stay.
Can you hold her?
Yep, I got her. I got her. I got her. Hi, Becky. Hey, sweetheart. That's a good girl. This is Becky's Freedom Ride. And like I said, she is going to be a forever foster unless somebody steps up to adopt. 13 years of age. She will need to go to our Dr. Dooley in Delray and be assessed to make sure her teeth, because they said she has some broken teeth that could be very painful. And yeah, so we've got another little life saved here, a senior, which is, seniors like this, it's hard for them to get out. It's hard. Every dog is hard to get out with everybody being so full to capacity. Hi, baby. I know. I know. It's okay. You're so confused. These dogs are so confused. So confused. You want some water, Mama? You want some fresh cold waters? You know Mama TK, she doesn't miss a beat. She doesn't miss a beat. Oh, look what we got.
You need some water?
She drinking? Yeah. That's good, Mommy.
Oh my goodness.
That's delicious.
What are you gonna get? Oh,
You're a sloppy drinker.
yeah. That's okay. I think she knows.
Sit down, Mama.
I really do.
She
I
knows
think
she's
she
safe.
knows. I think
She
she
totally knows.
All right, so
You ready?
Thank you, Amy.
We'll keep you all updated. Again, I'm asking everybody to please make a donation. If
Yes.
nothing else, donate and share and consider being part of the solution. That's all we can do is be their voice, right, TK?
Exactly.
That's it.
Exactly. So thank you guys in advance. We so appreciate the support and the help. And we'll keep you up to date.
100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida. Becky is safe.
I don't know if she'll be Becky forever, but
No,
she's it.
that's her name.